Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 8, I am a science teacher and now we'll have to study about the light, in which I have already told you about something. We have got studied about some topics. Here is the there are some characteristics is given below. The characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. What are the different characteristics formed by the plane mirror? We have to see the either in that the different forms. First one is what the image formed. So here is the some characteristics given below of the image formed by the plane mirror. The characteristic of the image formed is first one, the always image formed, it has its property accordingly whatever it is. The first one is the image form is always might be the virtual. Why? Because this could not be placed on the any screen or surfaces. So the image forms takes place, it will be always in virtual mode. Next is the image formed by the plane mirror, it is same size as the object. Next one, the image formed by the plane mirror is formed behind the mirror. Next, the image is formed as behind as the front part or the object is situated or placed in front as the same manner. Next is it is always in the erect form, it could be erect and upright. Next it is the image is laterally inverted. That means if the right one, it is placed as a left, and if there is a left one, so there it will place as a right. So there is a right and left inversion takes place, through which this is the another characteristics of the object or the image form. Next one is there is reflections. Is there reflections? Light can be reflected again. Reflected light can reflected again is the reflection or reflected light can reflect again. Yes, it can. You can see in the case of the barber who has put the double or the front mirror, having the plane mirror in front of the mirror at 90 degree. If it is placed about the 90 degree, so there will be infinite number of the images formed. Why these images formed? The images only formed due to the reflections. So there are the number of reflections takes place. And in other case where there is a kaleidoscopes, or the kaleidoscope, or might you can say in case of another instrument like this, same as a kaleidoscope, on which if it is lens placed over it, what will be happen then? There will be a light enters into it and strike to this reflecting surfaces, and from this here it can also be reflected, and that can reflected again and come out. So there are different or several reflection followed. So in this concern, the reflection or reflected rays always can reflected again. Why? Because if there is a number of reflecting surfaces, or there are the more than one reflecting surfaces, so there will be the reflections can be carry on, can be forwarded. So we can say yes, here is the reflected rays can be reflected again. Why? Because there is a multiple image formed. Due to this reflection, there is an image form takes place. If there is a number of reflections more and more, so there is a images form more and more. So this one is called as a multiple image. How these multiple image can be created? Suppose if there is an angle having 360, if the angle placed at 350, so the angle, if there is a two mirror are placed 90 degree, so this can be measured how many images can be formed. So if it is having 90 degree, so the 360 upon 90 is equal to, that is called as 4, that is 4 images may form if it is placed at 90. If it is placed as 180, so 360 upon 180, that means 2 images form. If it is, if the mirror are placed at 30 degree, so 363 upon 30, that is 12 images can be formed. And if it is placed at 45 degree, so 360 upon 45, so the 8 images will be formed. These are the different forms by which the image formations takes place. So we can say there is a multiple images formed by the different form of a reflection or different reflections. And you know that there is a sunlight, it is not white, it is colored. How we can say that? It can be said that by means of the prism, either by there is a spectrum is to be drawn by different means. In case you have seen the rainbow, that can already be a measures by which the color of the sunlight can be observed. Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Guys, here we are going to explain about that the chapter number 15, and the topic will be the lenses. So what we can call the lens, we will discuss over here today as a lenses. So what actually called as the lenses? You have seen in most persons there are spectacles. Spectacles usually made up of the lenses, by using the lenses. And even you have seen a microscope, a telescope, and a watchmaker used a simple form of a object that can wear on his eyes, that is also made by the lens. So what we can say the lens about? Lens is what actually? Lens is the transparent object made by the curved lenses. That means curved glass or plastics. So we can say lens are the material, lens are the transparent material that are made by the curved glass or the plastic, by the two curved glass or by means of one curve and one flat glass as well. Either it is made up of a glass or plastics. Lenses can be used in every sector. You can see about the magnifying glass, the telescope, the microscope, the spectacles, and the peep holes, into the rooms where it will be used in different manners. So these are the lenses. Lenses are the transparent object that can be made by using either the pair of a curved lenses, pair of a curved glass, or the pair of a plastics. The curved plastics, or might be one curved glass and one flat glass. So here we have to study about the types of lenses. What are the different types of lenses? Types of lenses. What are the different types of lenses? As we know that there are, before the topic I have already explained about that the curve mirror. So on that particular basis, it is also a two type, that is the concave lens and convex lens. So we will have to discuss firstly about that the types of lenses, in which first one is convex lens. What is the convex lens? To which we can say the convex. Convex lens is a type of lenses that are thicker in the middle than the edges, or we can say it is the lens that is thinner at the edges and thicker at the middle. What are these types we can say? These are, you can say like this. This is the lens that is convex lens. It is what actually? It is the convex lens. It is what? It is the thinner at edges and thicker at center. So this is a type of convex lens. So we can say the convex lens is a type of a lenses that can thicker at the center and thinner at edges as top. Or we can say it is the thicker at the center than the edges. So this is about the convex lens. Now, what the criteria to be taken for the formation of an image by the convex lens? Convex lens always forms the magnifying images or the larger images, large size images. How it could be? It could be said to the converging lenses. Why it is called as a converging lens? Why? Because when there is light falls on it, what will be happen? The light converges at a fixed point. So why it is called as the converging lens? Due to the conversion, here is, suppose if there is a flame, so its image will form over here as a large size the image formation will take place over here larger. Why? Because it can converge at some particular places. So this one is called as a converging lenses. In it, when the object is at certain distance, the image always form as the magnifying, or it is upright, erect and larger than object is said to be, also this is called as, the convex lens is responsible for when the object is placed at a particular distance, it will form larger, but when the object is placed nearer to the lenses, what will happen? If it is placed near to the lens, near to the convex lens, what type of a then this image form? If there is an object placed near to the convex lens, suppose it is as nearer, so what will happen? It will might be great over here, but it could not be. Its image might be can find at some particular distance and it is magnified. This could be formed over here as about magnified. Why? Because this could be placed, if it is could be placed near to this, that one is formed as a magnified or magnified image place. This will be in the form of upright, erect, and as a magnified image. Next one is what we can say, it is considered to be as what actually called, this one is formed as a magnifying image when placed near to the object or near to the lenses. What will be happen when there is a light placed at a certain distance? When the candle light placed at a certain distance, so their image will not be as larger as it, but will be the larger than the object and erect, upright and got clear. But when it is placed near to the object, it will be completely large, that is a magnified, upright, erect, and it is the most larger. So the next one on which we are going to be talking about, that is the concave lenses.